Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. The time has finally come. Today we're going to demo this guitar. So, very brief recap. If you haven't checked out the series on this one, do so. It was lots of fun. We did lots of cool stuff. And yeah, you're probably going to want to see it. At this point, I've tuned it, intonated it. I got it all set up. The action's real nice. It's a great guitar. It plays really well. It's very easy to handle. You will notice that I suck at guitar, but hey, it is what it is. There's not much I can do about that today. So bear with me and we'll demo this thing. As far as hardware upgrades go, really the only thing I changed is I put some locking tuners on here and I replaced the pickups with a humbucker in the neck and a hot rail pickup in the bridge. I haven't done any fancy wiring or anything on this one. I'm really not stellar at that stuff anyway. So it's just going to be a basic three-way Tele style selector between the bridge, the neck, and both. All right, that's about it. Let's see how she sounds. some kind of demo. But, you know, I did replace these things with a hot rail and a humbucker, so let's see how it does with some metal. $10 points to whoever guesses this song. And no, the points aren't worth anything. Good luck. Well, guys, that is it. That is the guitar. That is the series. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because, spoiler alert, we're about to build another guitar kit and it is going to be awesome. It's a Spalted Top Les Paul. Very excited to see how it turns out. I know how it's going to turn out. I'm very excited to get to work on it. So as always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out the rest of the series if you haven't already. If you want one of these guitars so that you can follow along with the series or make your own, show me what it's like, check out the link in the description below. I've got an affiliate link there where you can pick one up. And yeah, huge shout out and thank you to Solo Music Gear for sending me this kit. I know it's probably not what you expected, but I had fun. As always, thank you for watching, have a good one, and I will see you next time. Later.